Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am using a set and trying to add new elements to this set. I'll use add method. First we'll add 10. It works fine. Then I'll add hello. It works fine. Then I'll add a tuple. It works fine. Next I'll try to add a list. I'm getting an error here. Do you know why? That is because we are trying to add a mutable object, a list, to a set, and sets can only contain immutable elements. Since a list is mutable, it can't be added to a set. That's why we are getting an error here. In Python, sets are mutable, meaning you can modify them by adding or removing elements, but the elements in a set must be immutable. That's why it allows you to add new elements, but the elements must be immutable, like tuples, integers, strings, and we can't add a list to a set. Okay, this is one of the interesting facts about sets. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.